This market review is of the Corvette C7R, and this is a 1/25th scale model by Revell. There's a picture of the real car, and dimensions, colors needed. Here's a picture of the model car. Lots of detail there, looks like a very nice model. Let's have a look inside and see what we got. Looks like a lot of parts here to look through. So here we have our wheels. This looks like the scoop for the hood. A steering wheel here. And I'm not sure what that is, if that's the seat. Most likely is. Here's our glass. It comes with the black parts molded on. So that looks very nice, very well molded. And the paint is pretty good condition. Well done. Here are our doors. And our hood with mirrors. Reasonably well molded. Little mold lines, but minor. Let's look over here at our body. So this body is actually very nicely molded. We've got some good level of detail here. No flashing. That's a good body. Here are our tires. They're soft and smooth. We have axles. We have our tail lights. Here's our rear wing. Nicely molded. Here's our chassis. Nice details there. We have our dashboard. That looks quite nice. And this is the front here with the headlights. Dash cover. Looks like probably part of our engine parts there. Here's our chassis. This is the pan underneath. Not a lot of detail there, but you can see where the wheel axles are going to go through. Here we have our radiator, our belts, firewall over here, and some engine parts here. Front grille. Looks like suspension as well as disc brakes. Part of our roll cage. We've got some engine parts. Here's our pedal box. Here's the main engine block. And exhaust parts. And here's our roll cage. That's nicely molded. Here are the decals. Lots of decals. Very nicely printed. And here's our instruction guide. So, it's all about the car here. And here's the painting guide. Colors. We start off with the engine parts going in. The brakes are put onto the chassis. Engine's then mounted. There's not a lot of detail on that. Then the wheels are put on. We start to build the engine bay, pedal box, cockpit's built here. Actually, cockpit's not there yet, but there's our exhaust parts. And then suspension parts, air intakes, rear firewall. Now we're building the cockpit here with our seat and roll cage. And And dashboard. Other side of the roll cage there. Doors going on the body. And then glasses put in. Radiator. Here's the front scoop for the hood. Body's then mounted. Additional body parts are put on. And here's the painting and decal guide. So all in all, this is a pretty detailed model. Some great decals. We'll have to see how the engine bay turns out. Looks like we've got some detail here. But the suspension parts look like they're not very well represented.